am at 40 HP Club. We decided to take my transmission out of my Cts-V. We worked with Circle D transmissions. They hooked us up with this really cool kit for the 6L90. Part of the deal was after I had it in there a little while, we would take it out, go over it, and see how everything has held up so far. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to break it down and apart, show you what we have going on in it, and put it back together. So y'all enjoy the video. Hey, what's wrong?
Me and Tyler. Somebody's race car.
You get the business from the bourbon.
Stop picking up people. You getting phone calls to Wendy picking on everybody?
It's the bourbon.
Well, it's still red. Ish. This went in for 2K. It's definitely had some 1,300 something through it. Not bad. Little clutch dust.
You coming to help? She got a rag for you. Oh, what is that?
Man. What is that? What are you saying? Is that English? Yeah, close enough.
You working on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Stuff swelled my hands up so bad. One of them I can't do them like back to back. You gotta get cuts on your hand or do like twice the size of what you do. My little stool thing. I'm short, I need a raise. Hello.
Thank you. Oh, transfer in here now. Oh, no ma'am. No. There's a whole thing of trans fluid under here.
Yeah. Circle clutches.
No.
Could be.
You covered in trans fluid, you're not getting it. Thank you. Out of there. You can't play in that. I know you want to.
She's not having that, huh?
She's tired and she wants to play in trans fluid.
You're gonna make me an attachment for that side hammer. It's a lot easier. Everything still looks so pretty. I'm not even burnt. Look. Like brand new. That was what we were worried about, was the power glide style clutches. They used to be only in red, and they wouldn't live in a thinly driven trans. And Circle D was like, we can make that work. Like, we'll see. They're showing us because it works. Clutches still look brand new. We'll go into the rest. This is the other one that burns. These clutches look weird. They're keyhole clutches. It's weird looking, but again, not burned. Look at that. see. That's over 1,300 wheel since Texas 2K. And I don't even know how many passes. And yeah, tons of street miles because she drives it everywhere. Gotta go to the grocery store. Gotta get there fast.
A couple hours from here to Mississippi where y'all go, huh?
Huh?
Said it took you like 2 hours to get from here to Mississippi when y'all went?
Yeah. She takes to Mississippi all the time because her mom lives there. It's like about an hour there, hour back. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't ever burn. Isn't burned. Yeah, that's really. It's pretty crazy impressive. For those two not to have any burn on it, that's pretty insane. I don't think I ever see them not burned at all. It's a weird stack they have on this one. Not burned. It's like everything's brand freaking new, like it's never had any power through it. Because of that. So it's all steel, it's all friction. They use stuff like that in the 4060 jump trims. They use some of those for like the towing and stuff like that. Heavy load. Last one. Perfect. Glad I just redid mine with this kit. That's crazy. I didn't expect it to be burned at all, but I didn't expect it to literally not be burned at all. I'll spread these out so you can kind of get you a shot of all of them. So this is 456, which is the 4, 5, 6 gear, highest load, always burns, isn't burned. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, it's always on in first through fourth, doesn't usually burn. 3.5R almost always burns, mainly on like the 2-3 shift, and then 4.5 for the people that just need to do 200 mile an hour. Low reverse doesn't ever burn. I don't remember what they call this one. 2.6, I think. Don't get me wrong, I don't freaking know. It's been a long time. Anyways, these don't ever burn, and they're not. That's pretty much it. That's
very nice.
Very nice. It's gonna go back together just like this. Except I gotta stack all this back up, which sucks. It's all spiral stacked. They didn't color these.
Come here. No, not again. Not again. Not again. Okay, look. Look. What you want? Look at that.
Just one disc has some weird. That's weird. Just one. That's weird. Super odd. See a little touching in here. I don't know what that's from. Is it a little touching?
No, over here.
That's crazy.
All right, so overall, very nice. No wear, no burn. Well, and I'm very rough on my car, so that's very surprising. We also just put the same kit into Justin's coupe that you've been seeing in the background, that he's about to just beat to hell and back basically this year for all the racing. So we'll see how it does that too. we're gonna keep mine mainly on the street. I'll be doing some street racing, making a lot of street pulls, and his will be mainly at the track. Maybe I'll go back to the track. I kind of want to get a good number with the pink wrap now, but other than that, we'll see how they do again. I'm sure we'll take them apart and let you see the clutches again shortly.